Welcome to our newest listing, 674 Northwest Kildare Street in Port St. Lucie. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,800 square feet, and has a brand new roof. This renovated home has brand new porcelain tile flooring throughout. The gorgeous kitchen features quartz countertops. The functional layout of the kitchen leads to both the dining and the living areas. Two sets of sliding glass doors open to the spacious patio and screened-in pool. For those sunny days spent by the pool, the second bathroom is a cabana bath. Located in Northport Village, this home is less than a mile to Girl Scout Friendship Park and 5 minutes to golfing at St. James. The gorgeous trails of Oxbow are only 6 minutes away. For more information, leave a comment below or give us a call at 772-773-0199.